So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter and the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, also TV unit on the front wall, and we have dining counter with 2 chairs, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we will go inside. So we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here, and on the right side we have washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if you go inside, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement on the front wall, and we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.